Well, hi guys, good morning again. So this video again today, as it's sort of highly anticipated political result day. So again, I'm making again from a different room here. But the question here is again, what actually is important today? Again, there are a couple of events here. Number one, again, RBI governor actually has resigned. Now this news was anticipated since some time, so definitely there's going to be reaction. Bond yields again could show a mild spike. Rupee again could show actually a sharp sort of downward reaction here, and the rupee reaction again is also going to induce some pressure on the equity markets also. And then from there again we're going to see a sentimental down move here. Also again we should be expecting it from the Dow futures again. So after a stellar recovery, now again the Dow futures are still down 100 points. You're talking about selling in metals. So in that actually is going to cast a negative shadow for the metal stocks. So metal stocks should be going down. The gap down opening could be there again. SGS Nifty is pointing out to the fact here. So if you're seeing an opening around 10,350, I think the first thing actually you should be doing is remembering again there has been a sharp correction in crude prices. So OMCs again could be providing some good opportunity at the gap down opening. Number two, again metals again, you should not be touching them again if you want to buy actually anything. So again just be cautious about that. Metals could still remain under selling pressure. Now the thing is, what you should be doing again, looking at the Nifty derivative trend here. Derivatives actually were pointing out, and if I look at the charts, there is a breakdown, bearish moving average crossovers. Anyway, structure for this week was negative. I was writing yesterday again, there's a last swing trade again coming again, but since election results were there, that could have been either side again, and that's why I was saying out of the money option portions could be very interesting. But now again, since election results are there, but you're going to start with the gap down opening. So to me, tactically, now actually basically playing on the upside is actually much cheaper than playing on the downside, because after 200-point gap down opening, it's actually very difficult to play on the downside here. And that's why actually traders actually should seriously look at very out of the money sort of call positions there. That could be very interesting. Also on Nifty also you can play for a 50-60 point rally, because it's a neck to neck race and you are going to get volatile moves, and you can easily capitalize on the volatile moves here. So perhaps the thing on those lines. And also again I think again after a strong gap down opening, perhaps Nifty is going to provide you some good sort of upside moves. Whether you should short, I think it's a day again which should be very risky because of election results again. So why to take that risk here? Now after the election results are out, you can definitely let you think about that. So let's first see what are the election results. But on a gap down opening, perhaps you actually can place yourself on a momentum buy side here. I think that's my view. I think it's going to be much easier again to place yourself for that. So like yesterday I said, it's a 40 to 50 point up move which can happen on a gap down opening. It played out perfectly well yesterday again. Nifty opened down again, rested a good 50 point rally, and from there again we started seeing selling pressure. So again BS made a comeback here. So again that's just something I think we should be watching out here. And the second point would be I think on the bank Nifty, I think what basically is going to happen. So again just watch out for that. So I think it's easier to play on Nifty, and I think that's what I think we should be watching out, and that should be a good strategy. Levels I think for Nifty 10,350, 10,200, those are two important levels. On the upside 10,610 and 10,750, those are two important levels. So play safe and enjoy the day. Thanks.